Oh yeah, I know it's been a minute, but we're finally back in the game. I got a new job and I could finally afford to buy all the shit that I want for my car. And yeah, even though it's nothing new, I got the Cobb Accessport. We're going to be getting rid of the JB4, finally doing a flash tune. I'm probably going to go with D-Man. In a few days, I'm getting the whole flex fuel kit, which is a pain in the ass to try to get in California, but I found a shop that was able to ship it to me, so that should be here on Monday. Also getting the ETS Ultimate Intercooler, which is going to be here in a couple weeks. I have to ship it to a friend's house in Pennsylvania and have them send it to me in California, but I guess the cool thing is I'll be one of the only ones in California to have all this shit, because no one else can really get it without jumping through hoops. But anyways, we got a lot of cool new shit coming up for the WRX, so stay tuned and we'll show you guys what I can do.